Aloha! Welcome to 808DeafNews. Today's news is about the worker shortage. There isn't enough workers. The hotel industry is experiencing this. They are in dire need of at least 500 more workers to fill their vacancies. They want to hire more workers because they are anticipating an influx of international visitors, especially from Asian countries like Japan. For a while, the hotel business has been booming, but due to the pandemic in 2020, a lot of workers have left the industry. There have been more and more travelers coming to the island, creating a gap. They need to hire more workers to fill the gap and accommodate the influx of visitors. Hotels are letting the community know that we need you. So come and apply for a job. There is also a shortage of nurses. There are many open nursing positions. There are many qualified applicants who are ready to take classes. However, the problem is a need for instructors to teach those classes. Over 1,500 applicants apply, but only half of them are able to start taking classes. The other 800 never make it to the classroom due to the lack of instructors. Instructors must have a master's or a doctoral degree in the nursing field. Instructors earn about $25,000 less than a working registered nurse. An instructor teaching at a college earns about $80,000 a year. Compared to a working nurse, they will earn over $100,000 a year. There is a real need for more nursing instructors. The applicants have to wait their turn due to the shortage. They start learning, then finally they get a nursing job. It is important to have qualified nurses. The third labor shortage is in the transportation industry, specifically a shortage of school bus drivers. The traffic has gotten worse due to colleges and UH starting up again. This has created a bottleneck on the freeway. With bus drivers transporting kids to school, most of the kids are arriving late at school. Schools tend to start around 8 a.m. The traffic problem has made it hard for bus drivers to arrive to school on time. Students are arriving somewhere between 30 minutes to an hour late. They are trying to match up drivers and routes so they can eliminate some routes. Trying to figure out what to do to solve this problem, they have announced, with the governor's approval, a new pilot program. This program is for high school students who are in 9th to 12th grades. They can get a free city bus pass and ride the bus to school. From my understanding, HSDB is on the pilot program list. High school students can ride the city bus. Creating this program in hopes that less students will arrive late to school. Hopefully this program will solve this issue. The next part of the news is about inflation. Prices everywhere continue to rise. Food prices are high. The cost of living here has increased as well. The population most impacted by this inflation are those who live on the west side in Waianae, especially the Kupuna community, those who are sick or can't drive and they need food delivered to them. Waianae Coast Comprehensive Health Center in Leeward County has been distributing free food to long lines of people. This is really unfortunate because they have worked their whole lives, and then to have their increased amount of their Social Security benefits impact their SNAP benefits. Their SNAP benefits have stopped because they are receiving more money in their Social Security. This has created a hardship with the continuous cost of food rising and not receiving SNAP benefits. CSChawaii Health Center has been distributing food to help with this need, and the demand continues to increase. They have already secured 1,600 boxes. These boxes were claimed in less than 3 hours. If you can donate, click on the link in the article. The last part of the news is about Hawaii's diversity. You may be wondering just how diverse Hawaii is compared to other states on the mainland. They researched this question and then published their findings in an article. There are 6 categories: economics, culture, race, religion, and politics, just to name a few. The result of this research was this. The top 5 most diverse states are Hawaii, placing in 3rd. California on the top as the most diverse. 2nd is Texas, followed by Hawaii in 3rd. 4th is New Jersey, and 5th is New York. Interesting. CSC is offering a CPR and first aid class on September 26th and 28th. Participants will learn how to save a life. This is a 2-part training starting at 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. If you're interested, look on the CSC website to register. We want to let you know that the CSC received a donation of 300 COVID test kits from University of Hawaii, Waianae Coast Comprehensive Health Center, PAAC project. The test kits are free. I want to show you what the kit looks like. This is the kit. On the box, there is an online survey. With your camera, hover over the QR code. It will take you to the survey. Once you have completed the survey, you will receive a $15 Amazon gift card. Pretty cool. These kits are available for free at the CSC. Come and get one. Aloha! Hawaiians celebrate 2 holidays. They are very important to us. The first holiday is Kamehameha Day on June 11th. This is a yearly celebration to remember him. He is the first king to rule all the islands. He won the war on Lahaina in Maui. There is a long history of royals who have taken control of our country. The second holiday is Prince Kuhio Day on March 26. We remember Prince Jonah Kuhio Kalani Ana Ole, who fought for our land, our people, and ensuring needs were met through political debates. He is an important person to remember. Aloha!